Hi there, in this video I'm going to compare the 6-liter Ninja Foodi to the multifunction oven from Ninja to find out which one will suit your needs best. Normally I cook for 4 people and we had the Ninja Foodi 6-liter for over a year now and we're absolutely in love with it, but we felt the limitations sometimes, so that's why we purchased this oven recently. Let's start real quickly to look at what's in the box. So with the Ninja Foodi 6-liter you have the pressure cooker lid. It's a bit awkward to store it, to be honest, because it's not attached to the machine itself. So I usually keep it on the top like this. And then when we open the box, we have the basket, which is fantastic. It's very easy to clean and it's non-sticky. And then we have the pot itself, which already scratched a little bit. And let me show you. It's holding up really well and it's also non-stick. And we have this rack, so that this suits better for pizzas and stuff like that. A minor complaint would be storage, because you can't really fit everything in one place. So if you put that basket in, if you can't fit this one, there's no way to fit it. The only way to do to kind of pack it together compact, if you put this one in first, you stick this one in, but the side's gonna hang off, and then you close the top and you sort of fit this. 6-liter Foodi has 2 handles on the side, which makes it easy to move and lift. It's heavy enough, but probably half the weight of the oven itself. The outlet cable is pretty short. People complain about it, you have to keep it close to the source. And the other one has a little bit longer cable, but not a lot longer, to be honest. But this is much heavier and there's no handles. Oh yeah, probably twice or even 3 times as heavy. So once you set it in place, you're probably not going to move it too much. Let's check what comes with the Ninja oven when you purchase it. So you have the frying basket, it's fantastic. It can hold a lot, it's great for air frying. You have a frying tray. This is really good. If you use these two together, then you can fry chicken or fries, and fries on the top for vegetables or potatoes, and then you can put a chicken or roast or the meat at the bottom. So this is truly fantastic, much better than the Ninja Foodi. You have a tray, just to usually keep it under everything so you don't have droplets dropping on the bottom. And then you have 2 of these racks. And inside there's 4 different levels. Both of these ovens came with their own recipe books, which makes cooking very easy and very efficient. They're very straightforward, easily explained, and you have images and everything showed and explained what function to use and what temperature to set. So that gives you the basic idea of how to cook. And then I find myself reaching for them at the start and very quickly just adopting and getting to know both of these cookers. It's very intuitive and yeah, they're fantastic, and I always keep them at hand. But you stop using them after a while, I find. We're going to start with the Ninja Foodi 6-liter because I get that one first, and this is where I fall in love with Ninjas. So what I love most about these ovens is the speed. It's how quickly they can start cooking and how quickly they actually cook the food and how nice the food is because of that. So let's say it's sitting on the table. This is the start button on the top, and it's also the select button. When you turn, it selects and chooses functions. But listen to this. This is all you need to do. You press it 3 times and it's already starting the preheating process. Is that insane? And then you can set the time, how long you want to cook, and then you can set the temperature. And you can also set the function while you're already heating the oven up inside. A couple of limitations of the Ninja Foodi 6-liter is the size. If you want to cook pizza for a family of 4, then you have to cook 1 pizza at a time because it's not big enough and you can only cook in 1 level. So even for a medium-sized pizza, I had to cut it in half and then kind of squeeze it in a little bit to be able to cook it. So that was one of the reasons I had to purchase the larger oven, where you have 2 levels and both levels are deeper and they're wider as well. So 2 big pizzas would fit into this oven, but not that one. And also if you want to cook like a roast dinner, again, it's fantastic for cooking the chicken, but you couldn't have the potatoes and the chicken in the same time. I'm kind of glad to have both because I love the pressure cooker option. You stick a big chicken in there and you put it the pressure cooker mode, a bit of water at the bottom, the chicken in the basket just sits right there, or even on this tray if you want the bigger chicken, and you set the pressure cooker for 4 minutes and it's going to be juicy and well cooked inside. Take the lid off, you know, the cover, and then stick the air fryer on, bam bam bam, and then it's already on, and you cook it for 10-15 minutes. It literally takes no time, and you have your chicken, the best chicken ever. Works with potatoes as well, so you cut up chunky potatoes. Do the same thing, just the potatoes at the bottom, a little bit of water. I always preheat the water, speeds up the process a little bit. Pressure cook it a little bit for like 3 minutes for like a half basket of potatoes, and then you air fry it at the end. Best potatoes ever. So here comes in the advantage of the Ninja oven. It's obviously the size and the fact that you can cook in 2 different levels. This means you can actually cook for the whole family, even for a family of 6. You can fit in everything in this one. with the vegetables on the top, the meats on the bottom. For the size, it's surprisingly deep inside. How much chicken and how much meat could you fit into this one? Oh, a lot. So what makes both of these ovens great is the speed. It virtually takes no time to fire it on. You turn it on, you pick and choose the function. You go through the 10 functions, for example, pizza or air fry. Air fry is one of the best. You just go with the function button, cycle through whatever you want, and then you go start, and it's literally like a minute and a half to heat up and you're ready to cook. So this gets warmer than the Ninja Foodi outside, so if you're looking to heat up your kitchen, then that's something to think about. You know, it holds the heat as well, really well, but it stays warm for longer and it gets warmer. So I would say if you're looking to save electricity, then this is your thing, because it barely gets hot. It has to be more efficient. So the advantages of the Ninja Foodi 6-liter one is obviously the size is an advantage because it fits in a smaller place and smaller corner, but it's also a disadvantage if you're looking to cook for larger families. So I find for the family of 4 with 2 children, it's usually big enough. It's really fast. Both of them are fast. This one is probably a little bit faster. I would say this one is more energy efficient, you know, so it'll save you money. It's very easy to clean because it doesn't get dirty. You lift this out and the whole thing takes 3 seconds. It's a non-stick and it's a very good non-stick dish. And obviously you can make soups or even rice pudding with a pressure cooker, and this one doesn't have a pressure cooker. And that pressure cooker function is, it's one of the best for all sorts of food. Pressure cooking first and bam, air fry it on the top. Takes no time, takes no work. And that is the advantage of this machine. I love it, and I'm definitely going to keep both of them because they have kind of different functions. They do the same thing as well, but you can use them in combination perfectly. And then the advantage of the oven is obviously the size, and you can have a whole complete dinner for a family of 6 easily because you plenty of meat to fit in the bottom and loads of vegetables and potatoes, for example, to fit in the top. And it's a very, very fast machine. The preheating process takes no time. It looks good. It saves you not only time but probably energy as well, because it's a lot more efficient than normal ovens. You purchase food and then very often you want to read the description how to cook that food for best results. What you need to take into consideration is that these machines are a lot more powerful than normal ovens, and you need to lower the temperature or less cooking time. Keep your eye on the food while you're cooking it. So the 6-liter Ninja Foodi is £180 in the UK currently, and the oven is £230 on sale at the moment. I bought it for £250. So which one should I choose? I actually want to have both, and of course I'm gonna keep both. I have both, and they kind of have different use cases. Once you have these in your house, you're not gonna use your conventional oven at all because they save you time, they save you money, and they save you work time as well. So it's perfect for families. You're not gonna be disappointed, I promise you. They're fantastic. I hope this video was useful. A thumbs up would really help me out, and please comment down below. That's also very useful. I put the work in for you to help you decide which one you want, so I would really appreciate just a little bit of support. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, please type below, and I'll get back to every single comment on the video. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.